Want to create 3D animated short stories that are going viral on YouTube right now? Just like this.
You always this quiet.
Only when I'm trying not to ruin a perfect moment.
I've walked this city alone for years. I never thought I'd want time to slow down.
Long-form content is generating millions of views right now. Step-by-step workflow from start to finish using a combination of different tools. I'm bringing multiple AI tools together to build a 3D short film, and I'll show you the final result at the end. First, we need to start with a story. If you have a script ready, feel free to skip ahead. But if you're starting from scratch, I've got a master product that generates everything you need. This prompt creates character designs, storyboard image prompts, animation instructions, and dialogue, all formatted and ready to use. You can see the prompt on screen right now at the top. You can change the theme to anything you want. Romance, friendship, adventure, whatever fits your vision. Next, specify how many scenes you need based on your story length. The prompt also handles silent frames, those cinematic moments without dialogue that add depth to your film. You set the quantity and it balances everything automatically. The prompt generates character reference descriptions. First, specify 2 to 4 characters, it creates detailed prompts for each one, including eye color, clothing, facial features, everything. After that, it moves to storyboard generation. For every single scene you requested, it provides an image prompt for the visual, and animation prompt for movement and the dialogue, if that scene has speaking parts. For my example, I'm using a romantic couple on the date concept with 3 to 5 scenes and 2 characters. I've copied the entire prompt and now we can paste it into any AI chatbot. ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Grok, any of them work. I'll paste the prompt and hit enter. It'll think a moment, then generate everything we need. And there we go. Look at this. First, it generated prompts for our characters, Ayan and Zara. Each name is a complete character description we'll use to generate reference sheets. Then it moves into scene-by-scene breakdowns. Scene 1 takes place in a rooftop garden restaurant. Frame 1A has its image prompt and animation prompt. Frame 1B follows, then 1C with dialogue included. Scene 2 starts fresh with new frames, all with their own prompts and dialogue. In total, it created 4 complete scenes. Exactly what I asked for. We've got everything, now let's move forward. I'll copy Ayan's character prompt first. And head over to Dzine AI. This platform is seriously impressive. It's an all-in-one creative suite with AI image generation, video creation, lip sync, consistent characters, the works. They keep adding new tools constantly. We want to generate our character reference first. Click on AI text to image, then use the top model selector. See Dream 4.5 Nano, Banana Pro, Flux 2 Pro, and several other top models. I'm going with Nano Banana Pro for this. I'll paste Leo's prompt into the prompt box. Set the resolution to 2K and aspect ratio to 1:1. Click Generate and let's see. This character sheet includes side profile, 3/4 view, and front view. It's all captured in one image. I'll download and save this file, and then we'll do the same for Zara. I just need to swap out the prompt to generate her full character sheet. Generating our storyboard scenes. Click on Chat Editor here in Design. I'll upload both character sheets to the canvas first. Both references are loaded. Time to generate our first scene frame. Going back to our script, this is the image prompt for Scene 1, Frame 1. Copy and paste it into the prompt box. Click Generate and watch the magic. Look at that. The first frame is stunning. Ayan sitting alone in beautiful lighting. I'll download and save it as Scene 1A. Now, here's a pro tip. We need to upload this generated scene as a reference image too. This keeps all future generations consistent with the same background, lighting, and atmosphere. Now we just repeat the process. Grab the prompts. For Frame 1, paste it. Generate. The system keeps everything consistent because we've loaded those reference images. Don't need to upload them again for each generation, just paste the new prompt. And see how the second image came out. Same background, same lighting. I'll continue generating all the frames this way, using the prompts. From our script, 1 by 1. All right, storyboard complete. You're seeing all the frames we created on screen now. Now let's talk animation design. I has a lip sync tool. First, click Lip Sync and pick your face image. I'll choose this scene with both characters. You can select multiple faces and assign a unique voice to each. By selecting both faces, we reach the timeline. Speaker A is male, while speaker B is female. Select Pick Voice for speaker A, noting the built-in text-to-speech feature. Preview various voices. Let me show you a quick demo. I'll select James, paste the dialogue, and click Generate Audio to create the voiceover. Apply it to the timeline. Now for speaker B and Zara's dialogue. Zoom in on the timeline and you can place both voiceovers in sequence. Zara speaks first, then Ayan responds. Click Generate to process the video. Here's the result.
You always this quiet?
Only when I'm trying not to ruin a perfect moment.
Even though the lip sync is solid for multiple people, it falls short of cinematic quality because the voices sound a bit robotic. And the scene is somehow static. No camera movement, limited body animation for professional-looking animated films. We need more. That's where the animation prompts come in. Remember, our script gave us image and animation prompts for each scene. We're going to take our storyboard images and convert them into animated videos with cinematic camera movements first. Then we'll come back and add proper lip sync with high-quality voices. Okay, let's demonstrate with a scene that has dialogue. Here's its animation prompt from our script. Click on AI Video. In Design AI, we are uploading the image we generated earlier as the start frame for Scene 1. Now select your video model. They offer Clean 2.6 CDance 1.5 Pro, Sora 2 Veo 3.1 Fast, and several others. I'm going with Veo 3.1 Fast for this. I'll paste both the image and animation prompts into the box. Click Generate and let it process. Okay, Veo 3.1 generated our clip. The quality is impressive. Movement looks natural. But here's the thing. When you generate multiple clips, voices often change between scenes. Lip sync can be inconsistent. You might get away with using Veo clips directly, but in my experience, you'll get better results doing proper lip sync separately. So here's our workflow. Generate all scene animations with Veo 3.1 for the movement and camera work. Then take those videos through Designs, lip sync tool with Professionally. Generated voices from 11 Labs or OpenAI TTS. This gives you cinematic animation plus perfect, consistent voice work. Now, let me show you how. Go back to Lip. Using Sync and Design AI, you should upload a face video file instead of using a standard static image. After Veo 3.1 generates the video, the tool automatically detects all faces. Since it found 2, I'll deselect the extra one to keep only our main character. Now, click Next. We're back on the timeline. Speaker A is our female character. Upload the voiceover we generated earlier from 11 Labs. It appears on the timeline. Drag it to where she starts.
I've walked this city alone for years. I never thought I'd want time to slow down.
Look at this. Lip sync is tight, voice quality is excellent, animation is cinematic. This is the quality we're aiming for. Repeat this for every scene with dialogue in your film. For scenes without dialogue, just use the V animated clips as is. I'll finish generating and lip syncing all my scenes. Now I'll take you to the final timeline. All right, I'm in my editor now. All clips are lip synced with the voices I generated. Silent scenes are dropped in too. I've added music and used keyframes to duck the volume during dialogue. It stays full volume. During silent moments, at the start, I added a title card saying the first date. That's it. Time to export and show what we created. If you found this workflow helpful, hit the like button. Dzine AI is in the description. Check out their lip sync tool and everything else they offer. Now, let's watch what we created.
Hi? Sorry I'm late.
I was hoping it was you. You always this quiet.
Only when I'm trying not to ruin a perfect moment.
I've walked this city alone for years. I never thought I'd want time to slow down.